In this video, I'm gonna share 4 steps that if you follow them, you'll make your home a strong faith-based environment. Living in a non-Muslim country exposes your kids to habits and cultures that are completely different from Islam, especially because there are no Islamic practices around you. There's no adhan, no mosques, and it's hard to live around Muslims because of your work or where you live. The whole society around you is going in one way and you want your kids to go in a completely different direction. So the battle outside is already lost. The real winning battle is inside the home. If the father is aware and the mother understands her role, they can create a faith-filled environment stronger than any side outside. So how do we do that? Step 1, you bring signs of the faith into the house. These things need to be clear and always visible. So, like what? A Quran in every area in the house. Wherever you go, you see it. A prayer mat in a place where it's always visible also. Play the adhan at prayer times. There are many mobile apps that can help with that. A simple poster of adhkar and Quranic verses somewhere in your house. These things, without you even talking, make your kids feel on a subconscious level that they are living inside the Islamic environment they belong to. Step 2, the home language. Use Islamic words naturally in your daily conversations. The language of the house is super important. What does that mean? The everyday words you say, even simple ones, Alhamdulillah, MashaAllah, Subhanallah, Jazakumullahu khairan. These things is taking your children's hearts without you even noticing. Step 3, good manners in the home. The thing that affects kids the most isn't information. It's the behaviors they see around of them. Respect, obedience parents, polite speech, clear boundaries between what's halal and what's haram. Step 4, a daily faith routine. You don't have to be a Quran memorizer or scholar, but there needs to be a spiritual atmosphere at home. Simple morning and evening azkar that you say together. Read 1 page in the Quran with them before bed. A short dua after praying together. These small things build a big heart. In the end, I want to tell you that your children are your real investment. The money you are saving won't matter to them as much as you teaching them the religion in the right way. And sitting with them every day for even half an hour, talking, playing, telling them stories, and inshallah I'll make a video soon about YouTube channels that will help you a lot in raising your kids, especially with stories. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Assalamu alaikum.